I love seafood, guys, and when it comes to being a culinary ninja, I want you to run and not limp. So come right back for my mushroom stuffed with shrimp. Woo! Keep it paleo. We've got button mushrooms here, just white ones. These are creminis or brown button mushrooms, whatever you want to call them. But usually you'll find both of them at the grocery store pretty readily available. We're gonna pull the stems from 7 of each. And these are pretty good size, right? Big enough for stuffing. We probably wouldn't want, well, these are actually all pretty good. This one's getting probably a little bit small, but just pick out the big ones. We got 2, 4, 6. There's 7. I'm gonna take this one back and go with this big boy. Boom. So we got 7 of those, now 7 buttons. Then we're gonna save these guys right here. I'm gonna set them right here. You'll see those again in a little bit. You'll see them again. So here we go. Now with this, some olive oil. And Gaga garlic. This stuff is super legit. Paleo Grinds, like one of the best spice companies on the planet. It's kind of like making garlic bread, but with mushrooms. Go on the pan, and we'll go one stem side up. Just like that. We're gonna get these in a 350-degree oven until they're about halfway cooked, and I'll show you what they look like when they get there. We're gonna knock out our shrimp stuffing. I've got 5 scallions on the board. The ends are looking a little dry, so I'm just gonna get rid of those in my compost pile. Huh? You like that? And then here, just barely hit the bottoms like that. Compost again. Run the knife through them. These are gonna go in the food processor, so you don't have to worry too much about chopping them, but this is a good opportunity to practice those knife skills, right? I mean, look at just kidding. Okay, boom, right? Run through those, and then on the celery, same thing. 1 rip down the middle. Cut across here. Boom, right? And then the stems to our mushrooms, right? I told you I'd see those again. Ideally, I'd saute these up right now, but it's gonna be just fine. Trying to keep things simple. I'm just gonna give the processor a little help. Start those, and then we'll open this baby up. I got 1.5 pounds of wild shrimp, peeled and deveined. Juices. I'll save that juice in case I need it. It's gonna put more flavor in there than if we added water later. Then our celery, scallions. And a lot of times for stuffings, you're gonna use eggs, but the protein in the shrimp, you'll see as this blitzes up, is gonna make a really tightly bound mixture. I'm gonna stop that for a second and then hit it with some of our Gaga garlic. And what we're going for is this mixture rolls, what I call rolls. That's the roll. You got that, Jesse? Boom. All right, there we got it. Looks kind of like barf or like baby diarrhea or something like that, but it tastes really good. And it's nice and tight. We'll be able to scoop it with a scoop into those mushroom caps. So speaking of those, I'm gonna go check on them right now. Here we are, guys, 10 minutes in. I'd say they're about halfway done. Now we're gonna take and scoop. I got a 1-ounce scoop here. I'm just gonna go 1 on each. Nice and big, right? Who doesn't like a lot of shrimp? There we go. These guys are going back in the oven, 350. All right, guys, here we are. They kind of look like pistachio ice cream a little bit. So let's plate this baby up. Here goes nothing. All right, so we use sambal to bring some heat and color. We garnish with scallions because there's scallions in the shrimp mixture. That's appropriate. And I'm Nick here, helping prove that even when it comes to shrooming, you can keep it paleo.